Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make mini donuts, a delightful treat perfect for any gathering or a sweet snack. We will explore two main methods, baking them in a special pan or frying small portions of dough. These tiny delights are fantastic for portion control and allow you to offer a wider variety of flavors. Get ready to learn all the tips and tricks to create these adorable, delicious mini donuts right in your own kitchen. To begin your mini donut adventure, you will need a few key ingredients and tools. For the batter, ensure you have all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, fresh eggs, whole milk, and a leavening agent like baking powder. Essential equipment includes either a mini donut pan for baking or a sturdy pot for deep frying. A piping bag or even a small spoon will be incredibly helpful for neatly portioning your batter or dough. For baked mini donuts, start by preparing your batter according to your chosen recipe, aiming for a smooth consistency. Lightly grease your mini donut pan to ensure easy release. Fill each cavity about 2/3 full, using a piping bag for neatness. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until golden brown. Allow them to cool on a wire rack before adding your favorite glazes or toppings. If you prefer the classic fried texture, heat about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to a consistent 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop small, 1-inch pieces of your donut dough into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Use a slotted spoon to remove them, then drain on paper towels before coating with sugar or glaze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.